Hello everyone. Now we will see the problem like prove the square root of 3 is irrational number. So here we have to prove square root of 3 is an irrational number. So for that we will take in the opposite way. So let us assume square root of 3 is rational number. So what is rational number? Rational number will be in the form of a by b. Rational number will be in the form of a by b. Yeah, so I'm assuming the square root as a rational number. So rational number will be in the form of a fraction a by b along with the condition b should not be equal to 0. Now you know what is a by b, that is a rational number. They will be co-prime to each other. That is a and b will be having the common factor as 1, not other than 1. So by this manner we have to assume. So now this root 3 is equal to a by b as we have assumed. So now to just we have to solve this. So to solving this, I am squaring on both sides. What will happen? Just when squaring on both sides, so square root of 3 the whole square equal to a by b the whole square. So what will happen? So this square root will go off, 3 equal to a square by b square. So now I can take this b square to the left hand side. What will happen? 3b square equal to a square. So now after solving up to this, we have got a problem. We have got a step like this a square is equal to some number. What is it? That is a square. I'm taking this 3 which is in the left hand side. I'm taking to the right hand side. So a square by 3 equal to b square. So from this we can say that a square is a number where this 3 is dividing this a square and we are getting the answer as b square. So if you have this like step, we can say like 3 divides a square, like that we can see. So and then from a theorem which is stating that if p is a prime number and if p divides a square, then p also divides a, where this a is any positive number. This is a theorem. This theorem is like if p is a prime number and if this p is divides a square, then we can say that this p also divides a. So from this note, I'm going to write like a square. Instead of a, I can replace it as, instead of a square, I can replace it as a. So from this step, I'm writing here. So 3a by 3 equal to b square. From this, instead of the b square, now if I'm dividing, that is, if I'm dividing this number as, see, a square is divided by 3, we are getting as b square. So if we divide a number a by 3, so there will be some other number as the answer. So I am just assuming it as c, where the c is any integer. So now after assuming this like step, I am getting like a equal to 3c. Till this I have got, that is a equal to 3c. Now after this, what should we do? Now we have to use some more steps to find like 3 is dividing some other number or not. So now uh, 3b square equal to a square. From this step, see, I'm assuming the step as star. I'm using the star equation here. Also here I'm using it after finding a. So 3b square equal to a square. Now we have got the answer of a as 3c. Just apply here 3b square equal to 3c the whole square. What will we get? 3b square equal to, what is this? 9c square. After this, just you try to find the value of b. That is b square equal to 9c square by 3. After solving this, we will be getting b square equal to 3c square. Now, what we have got, b square equal to 3c square. From that, just you from this we can say b square by 3 equal to c square. So here also see, when this b square is divided by 3, we are getting the answer as c square. And assuming now from this theorem, we can say like b can be divided by 3. Okay, there we'll be getting some number d, whatever. So now from this a equal to that is a equal to 3c, and from b equal to 3d, that is from these two equations we can say like 3 divides both a and b. 3 is dividing both a and b, so a and b have a factor 3. From this, what can we say? A and B are not coprime, But what is the definition of rational number? A and B is coprime, should be coprime. But what we have got? We have got the contradiction part. That is, A and B is not coprime. So from this we can say root 3 is not rational. Root 3 is irrational number. Thank you, students.